Memphis Metro, listen up. Everybody knows the signs that say we buy houses, but I want you to know we don't just look at houses. We buy houses, we buy apartments, we buy duplexes, triplexes, fourplexes. We buy vacant land, we buy small commercial buildings, we buy properties that need work, properties with tenants, inherited properties, problem properties, and deals most people don't know what to do with. If it's real estate within about 100 miles of Memphis, I probably want to look at it. This video is for homeowners, landlords, heirs, tired property owners, investors, small business owners, churches, families, estate sellers, and anybody sitting on a property they're not sure what to do with. Maybe the house needs too much work. Maybe the tenant stopped paying. Maybe the property is vacant. Maybe it was inherited. Maybe the city is on you about repairs. Maybe the roof, HVAC, plumbing, electrical, foundation, windows, or permits are stressing you out. That's where we come in. Let's look at your options. We're focused on the Memphis Metro and surrounding areas. That includes Shelby County, DeSoto County, Tipton County, Fayette County, Crittenden County, and nearby Tennessee, Mississippi, and Arkansas markets. Memphis, Germantown, Collierville, Cordova, Bartlett, Lakeland, Arlington, Millington, Olive Branch, South Haven, Hernando, Horn Lake, Nesbit, Byhalia, West Memphis, Marion, Eads, Oakland, Somerville, and surrounding areas. If you're within about 100 miles of Memphis, send it to me. Here's what we're looking for: single-family homes, duplexes, triplexes, fourplexes, small apartment buildings, vacant lots, land, retail buildings, office buildings, small warehouses, church properties, mixed-use buildings, estate properties, probate properties, divorce properties, pre-foreclosure situations, landlord burnout properties, houses that need full rehab. Pretty houses are fine, but honestly, the ugly ones are usually where the opportunity is. Most people call because they don't want to list it the traditional way. They don't want 30 showings. They don't want buyers walking through every weekend. They don't want to make repairs. They don't want to clean it out. They don't want inspectors picking the property apart. They don't want to wait 90 days. They just want a real number and a real plan. Now, I'm going to tell you the truth. Every property is not a cash offer property. Every property is not a flip. Every property is not a rental. But almost every property has a strategy. Here's what makes this different. I'm not just a random we buy houses guy. I'm a local real estate broker. I'm a licensed appraiser. I work with investors. I understand value, repairs, ARV, rental income, land, commercial, and neighborhood trends. So when I look at your property, I'm not just guessing. I'm looking at what it's worth today, what it could be worth fixed up, what repairs may cost. That might be a cash offer. That might be listing it. That might be creative terms. And for my apartment owners and commercial property owners, yes, I want to see those too. A lot of people only think about houses, but the real opportunities are sometimes in small apartments. Maybe your building is underused. Maybe rents are too low. Maybe repairs are stacking up. Maybe management is wearing you out. Maybe the property has code issues. Maybe you're ready to retire from being the landlord. Before you let it sit, let's see if there's a buyer or strategy that makes sense. The process is simple. Send me the property address. Tell me what's going on with it. I'll review the property, condition, location, numbers. If it makes sense, we'll talk about an offer or a strategy. You decide if you want to move forward. No pressure, no games, no fake promises. You should reach out if the property is vacant, inherited, behind on repairs, behind on taxes, tenant occupied, fire damaged, needs foundation work, owned by family members who can't agree, too much to manage, sitting there costing you money. Even if you don't know what it's worth, that's fine. Send it anyway. So here's the message. If you own real estate in the Memphis Metro, I want to look at it. Houses, apartments, land, commercial, problem properties. Send me the address. Send me pictures if you have them. Tell me what's going on. I'm Glenn McDonald with Integrated Assets. We don't just buy houses, we buy real estate.